Good morning. The day has been started. I got ready. I took my bath. I came downstairs for the breakfast. These are the completely toasted bread, and you can get the normal bread inside this. Going to eat something sweet, and here's a pancake machine. And additional to this, much of big Nutella vending machine. Yeah, this section is my favorite. I do eat from here every day. So these are basically two different kinds of yogurt. One is a mango yogurt and the other one is some mixed berries kind of thing. This is a curd or a yogurt, and I'm not sure what we call this one, but it's truly tasty. It has some grains inside it. It's just as yummy as an ice cream, but a healthier ice cream. You can get the butter or the peanut butter or the normal butter. Then there are fruits, the cheese, the cheesecakes, some more cheese, and I'm not sure what we call this thing, but I love this thing and I eat it every day. Here you can have the juice, the coffee vending machine. I have taken this white yogurt kind of thing. Super delicious. It feels really nice and very light for the rest of the day. So I prefer this every day. बहुत ज्यादा ठंड हो रही है यहाँ पे जो हाथ है ना मेरे हाथ पूरे फ्रीज हो गए if you try to do this it's too cold like people for here it's like the summer um we day before yesterday we got into a cab and that cab person he was from I think Iran. I think Afghanistan, yeah. He was from Afghanistan and he was saying like, why are you feeling that cold in summer? And then he started to talk in Hindi, he started to talk in Marathi, and he said like I was there in India for 10 years, and I was there in Mumbai for 2 years, and then I came back here, and yeah, I have a short video clip of him. I'll show you that one.
और आप जर्मन को भी देखो, इनमें कोई फीलिंग ही नहीं है। आप किसी हमारे एशियन है, ठीक है, अफगानिस्तान से और ईरान से और पाकिस्तान से और बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका से और इंडियन से, अब उनके घर जाओ, आपको खाना ही खिलाएगा खिलाएगा।
We are heading towards office. We'll take the train now. We'll walk till the train station. It takes 7 to 8 minutes to reach the train station for from our hotel. We are planning to buy a 24 hours ticket. The 24 hours ticket costs you, I believe, 8.2 euros. If you like with that 24-hour ticket, you can go anywhere within the city for next 24 hours, and you can grab any train from anywhere, and that's valid for 24 hours basically. So it's a good deal rather than the one-way ticket, which costs you 3.6 euros. A single one-way destination, like in a single ride, uh, and you can take as many as rides as possible in a go. But for the second one, then you'll have to take the ticket again. That will again cost you 3.6 euros. But you can't take the bus in between of your travel. Like if you start and when you reach the destination, like there's a time printed on the ticket. So when you start your journey and you end your journey, there should be a time like everybody knows like how it's been checked here is like they know like how much time it will take for you to come from one place to the another place, and you cannot use the same ticket again to like you cannot do like okay I reach here now I'll go to a restaurant, we'll take 2 hours of break and then we'll take the next train. No, not that way. just a single ride is for 3.6 euros. Reach the Dusseldorf railway station backside. This is the backside of the station. It's nearer from our hotel. So we every day we come here and we book, like take a train from here only. So now we'll enter inside and we'll see for 24 hours ticket. Actually, we need to take it, I think, from the station, not inside the train. Like there are two ways to take the ticket. You can take it from the train as well, and the train stations also there are machines. From there also you can take it. Uh, let's check. Let's find the machine and then we'll. Ah, yeah, we got it. We got it. It's right there. Yeah, we got it. This is the machine from which we can book the 24 hours ticket maybe. Uh, and let's change the language to English. Another single trip with any number. Yeah, there you go. We finally got our tickets, and now our train will be there at platform number 4. This is the platform number 4. U76 is our train.
Okay.
So we are heading towards the office. It's 9:05 already. We are already late. Hello, hello. Hey, hi. The second Sumit, he also came with me, with us. We didn't know we were in the same train. Actually, he said that he was waiting for the train for last 10-15 minutes because we were there and we did wait for 6 minutes only. So yeah, so basically we are lucky that train itself was late. So we have a reason that okay, the train was late and which is why we were late. Here the trains are basically very fast and there are very less stops in between, and the city itself is small. That's also a perk, but it makes it real convenient for people to take the public transport, and they don't prefer the self-driving or self-driving cars that much. And one more thing, like I came to know that there is no speed limit on the highways for the cars. Like if then you're driving your own car, you can take 200, 300 kilometers per second, and nobody is there to track your speed. So that's also a perk, and that's also easy if you are traveling intercity with the car. But within city, people are preferring the public transport itself. We don't have to face the traffic also because of the train, and the connectivity is super fast. The trains are super clean. So I work in a chemical industry, and if you can see, these are the towers. Right now, there is no smoke coming out of it. For 2-3 days, I saw a lot of smoke, like some chemical was being prepared. Campus is pretty good. It's very happening. You will see different colorful flowers, some yellow flowers, the white flowers, the pink flowers. It's beautiful, and it's not like just the campus. The office campus is beautiful. The whole city is beautiful. It's clean. Everything is nice, everything is fine, but the office or the building in which we are working, the lifts are not working there. They had certain contract with a certain company, and that company went bankrupt. So the lift repairing, like the lifts were too old, and the lift repairing is still in the contract, but as the company is bankrupt, so the contract has been given to some another company, but technically they have to change the complete lift, and it will take a lot of time. So currently they are going upstairs via staircases. So we have finally entered inside the office, and now it's the time to work, get back to the work. See you later.
firming up that vision statement, and then go into from board if you remember, and I think some of them are over there.
So now I have a meeting downstairs. I'm going again downstairs. Oh God, the lift. Hello. So our workshop for today has been completed. The weather today is quite sunny and with cold breezes. It's a very pleasant weather. I have removed my jacket right now. Right now I do have my inner and just a shirt on, and it feels really nice. You don't really need a jacket. Now it's 4:15 for now, and I've not planned anything. I'll wait downstairs for Sumit. Today was the last day for workshop, and we need to submit our iCards as well. And I need to say goodbye to some of my colleagues. They are still in the meeting. I didn't have anything, so I came downstairs. So I'll meet my teammates and say goodbye, and probably we'll have some pictures together. And I think then we'll call it a day. Uh, we are now back heading towards our hotel. We'll keep our bags और उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कल अगर हो सके तो हम किसी इंडियन जगह पे खाना खाएंगे आज. इट माइट बी एन इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट और फिर या फिर उबर इट्स से ऑर्डर कर लेंगे. देखते हैं. अभी तो हम जा रहे हैं वापस होटल. थोड़ा रेस्ट करेंगे घर पे. वीडियो कॉल वगैरह करूंगी. आ, मैं देखती हूँ मेरी बेटी तनेशा से बात करती हूँ. अगर वो बात करने के लिए मतलब मैं बात नहीं कर रही हूँ उससे. आई जस्ट कीप माई सेल्फ ऑन म्यूट एंड बैक कैमरा से मैं बस उसको देख लेती हूँ क्योंकि फिर रात में वो मुझे ढूंढती है. अभी कल कह रही थी कि ग्रीन वाला मम्मा. आई वॉज वेयरिंग अ ग्रीन टी शर्ट व्हेन आई वॉज ऑन वीडियो कॉल विद हर. तो वो मुझे कह रही थी कि तो एक्चुअली रात में वो कह रही थी कि ग्रीन वाला मम्मा चाहिए, ग्रीन वाला मम्मा चाहिए. शी वॉज क्राइंग. आई डिड नॉट like it that she is crying a lot. तो मैं देखती हूँ घर जाके एक बार वीडियो कॉल करके उसको देख लूँ. थोड़ा हालचाल ले लूँ उसका. बाकी वो ठीक है पर हाँ रात में मिस करती ही है. So, यहाँ पे कोई सिग्नल नहीं ब्रेक करता. कोई भी हो ना हो अगर लाइक फुट स्टेप्स पे चलने वाले लाइक द फुटपाथ पे भी अगर सिग्नल लगा है और गाड़ी नहीं आ रही है तो ऐसा नहीं कि लोग रेड सिग्नल पे चल लेंगे. और अगर गाड़ी भी है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर फुटपाथ पे कोई नहीं है तो रेड सिग्नल पे वो गाड़ी चला देगा. नहीं, वो प्रॉपरली रुकते हैं हर सिग्नल पे. और आई थिंक दैट मेक्स इट a little slower for a one who is driving on the streets because हर छोटी छोटी जगह पे मतलब zebra crossing या फिर the footpath वाला crossing है, which is one more reason why people do prefer the public transport. तो सिटी में अगर किसी को जाना है तो लोग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट ही प्रेफर करते हैं. मतलब जिनके पास कार है वो भी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से ही जाते हैं. एंड इफ़ दे प्लान टू गो आउट इन अ डिफरेंट सिटी और इन अ डिफरेंट कंट्री देन दे प्रेफर टू गो विद देयर ओन व्हीकल. अदरवाइज़ तो लोग पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट ही करते हैं प्रेफर. और डसलडाफ का जो है पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट काफ़ी अच्छा है, काफ़ी कनेक्टिंग है. मीन्स एक जगह से दूसरी जगह अगर आपको जाना है तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेन चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई एम एट माई होटल रूम. आई ट्राई टू कॉल माई मम्मा एंड तनेशा बट माई फ़ोन डिड नॉट पिक्ड अप. नोबडी पिक्ड माई फ़ोन. अभी हम थोड़ा बाहर जाने का सोच रहे हैं. कुछ चीज़ें लेने का मन है. मतलब कोई चीज़ें देखेंगे लेने लायक कुछ होगा तो. So there is a little lake kind of thing near our hotel. We just wanted to go there in the morning after having the breakfast, but we were running out of time, so we could not go there. So now it's the time to see the view of that lake. So this is a little lake kind of thing. You can say it's a lake. It's just a pond, I think, and I can see there are some ducks. This one is our hotel. This one. This is our hotel. So it's very near to our hotel. There is no view, particularly in my room, that leads us to this view. You can see there is a park, and again that reminds me of my daughter. अगर वो यहाँ होती तो आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम हम लोगों का यहीं पे जाता, क्योंकि वो तो इतने छोटे से कमरे में रहने से रही है। अभी हम लोग डिनर करने जा रहे हैं। इट्स अ बिट लेट, बट फाइनली वी हैव डिसाइडेड टू गो टू एन इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट। देखते हैं यहाँ कैसा इंडियन खाना मिलता है। आई थिंक सुमित एक दो बार वहाँ पे खाना ट्राई किया है, एंड इट वाज डिलीशियस। ही सेड we have decided to go to Amsterdam tomorrow early at 7 a.m. तो अभी नहीं पता कि हम लोग वहाँ क्या एक्सप्लोर करेंगे क्या नहीं। I was a bit dicey. We should go or we should not go because obviously there is a train ticket and um, I think वो cost reimburse तो नहीं होगी ऑफिस की तरफ से, तो it's on our own. But still I decided like okay, if we have come this far that we should go to Amsterdam. So yeah, we are gonna go to Amsterdam tomorrow. This is the restaurant. We can see there some Bollywood music is playing in the background. If you could hear. So finally now in Dusseldorf I'm having this chola bhatura. भटूरा बड़ा है, छोला भी क्वांटिटी में अच्छा आया हुआ है। देखते हैं यार टेस्ट कैसा है। मैंने उन्हें से बात की, ही वाज सेइंग ही इज फ्रॉम पंजाब। तो अचार नहीं मिला। आई नीड अचार वाइल हैविंग अ छोला भटूरा, बट ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। देखते हैं कैसा टेस्ट आता है। प्रॉपर इंडियन टेस्ट है एंड अच्छा है, काफी अच्छा है इनफैक्ट, वेरी गुड। वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अवर डिनर, वी आर हेडिंग बैक अभी टू द होटल। आज जल्दी जाके सोना है बिकॉज कल सुबह सुबह 7:15 बजे ही ट्रेन है एम्स्टरडेम के लिए। आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा था, काफी रिलैक्सिंग भी था, और कल का दिन तो काफी एक्साइटिंग है। अ, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं मतलब इट वाज अ ड्रीम टू विजिट एनी यूरोपियन कंट्री, और एम्स्टरडेम इज समथिंग ड्रीम कम ट्रू। सो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ।